Hey everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So, as you might have noticed, or maybe not, I haven't been on for a while. Actually, I was on last Friday. I did a Temu haul, and I got a couple of shirts and some other things. So I wanted to show you one of the shirts. Now, I had, first of all, okay, so I hurt my back, right? Stupidest thing. I was getting up off a chair. Sharp pain in my back. That was it. I could barely move. So I did put up a community post, and you guys prayed for me. Thank you so much, and praise God, I'm doing so much better. All right. So getting back to the Temu. This is one of the tops. Now, I didn't know if they were really true to size when I ordered, but Nancy from She's Got Yarn Too, hi Nancy, if you haven't seen her video where she had ordered a whole bunch of tops, and I think there was a dress or two, and so yeah, I'm gonna link that video below, and she does a fashion show, so make sure you check it out and see what her opinion is on the sizing and that. Okay, so normally I can wear a medium or a large. It depends on the make and all that kind of thing. So I went up to an extra large. It does show under the item measurements, so I just went by the girls. so excuse me. So I added a couple of inches just to make sure. Well, it turns out this extra large is too big. Now I'm going to attempt to get up to show you, but I can take it in on the sides. And I also got a blue one, and I showed that in my video Friday. I'll link that video too. I actually tried that on, I was able to try it on, I guess it was 2 days ago. And what did I do after that? I had something to eat. And I tell you, I'm worse than a little kid. I will slop on myself almost every time. So it's in the laundry basket, but it fit pretty much the same as this one. So let me just, okay, stand up. Woohoo! Okay, so this is the flowery one. Okay, let me just pull my pants up. Just wearing leggings. So okay, here's my belly button. So it's fairly long because it's also an extra large, right? So under the arms, it's a little low. The blue one I found was even lower, but it did fit about the same size as this one. And so I don't know if you like loose fitting clothes. I don't usually, but I think what I'm going to do, this is the plan, is to take it in on the sides. Let me just pull this like this. You know, just take it in on the sides a little bit. And then, you know, take it in up here as well. So then I think that would look better. What do you guys think? Or I might just give this to somebody. Yeah, I might give it to somebody. I don't know. But the blue one, I really want it. Oh, take that one in. Okay, let me just, all right, so the blue one, I think I want to take it. All right. So that's the Temu top. I'll put the link. No, I will just connect that Temu video that I did Friday, and it's got the links under it for all the items I got. There's some really cute shawl pins, pack of 5 for like $5. Yeah, so they're really cute. Somebody commented, I just went and bought those shawl pins, so that's really cool. I'm not affiliated with Temu, even though Temu contacted me and asked me to be to work with them. They did, and they said they'd send me a package once a week or once a month. Like, you know, that's really great, and they would pay me to do the videos. And they asked me what I would charge. Well, I have no idea. And besides, I'm not here to get rich. You know, I'm here to spend time with you guys. A little extra cash coming in is awesome, so I can buy yarn, which I have some yarn to show you in a second. I put this in a community post too, and so yeah. Okay, but anyway, so I turned them down, and they actually wrote back and they asked if I could tell them my concerns. So I said, I don't really have any concerns. I love your site. I love your products. I just placed my 3rd order, and I had at that time, and then I got it. And so I said, it's just, I'm very busy with my channel. I'm busy with life, you know. So that was it. They haven't contacted me. But anyway, so should we get into this package? It's from Bulgaria. First time ever I ordered from Pleta. It's a new item that they had on their site. It's yarn, of course, and they had, let's see, I think it was 9 or 10 different colors. Most of them were solids, but I got like multicolored. So I did look at it because what are you gonna do when you're sitting around with a sore back, can't even crochet? But I crocheted yesterday. I did. Bulgaria. Right, oh there. Okay, so it came in this black bag. My mailman brought it. There were no duties, nothing extra to pay. And so that was, oh, I taped it up again. Oh my goodness gracious. So that was awesome. Okay, and like I think I said, this is the first time I've ever ordered from Pleta. And then it came in this bag inside. I got 5 yarns. I don't see this color on their site. I think it was yesterday, whenever I got it. I looked on their site, and I did not see these colors anymore. Hanks of 100% bamboo. And they're new. They're new to their site. All right, so there's 5 in this bag. You know, they had solid colors, and mostly solid colors, and then they had a couple of other multicolored ones. I think they had 3. And I chose this one because, and this is Stenli. Oh, sorry, pain. This is Stenli, bamboo hand dyed. Now I decided to go with the lighter shades. Okay, so there's like a baby blue, and then it kind of goes off into like a white, and then there is a dark blue, navy blue, but not really dark navy blue, and then there's this light, kind of a greenish. Is it olive? No, maybe not. Maybe not. And then it looks like this greenish here is, okay, maybe together you can see them. This is greenish, and that's a darker greenish. Yeah. So, this is so soft. So soft. 100% bamboo. And it's got a little bit, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but it's got a little bit of a shine. It is so darn pretty. So darn pretty. Look at that green right in there. So pretty. Oh my. Okay. Let's take this off. Oh, first I'll read. Okay. So Stenli bamboo hand dyed. Stenli.yarn.owl. Okay, so this is 100% bamboo, 100 grams, 250 meters. Okay, they recommend okay, what is that? Okay, it's hand washed, lay flat to dry, don't bleach, don't iron, don't put in your dryer. And it says 4 to 6 knitting needles. Now, I don't know if that's, I don't know. I don't think that'd be millimeters, would it? And then 3 to 3.5, and that would be a crochet hook. So I think that would be millimeters. Possibly, yeah, I think so. So it doesn't actually say, or does it? It doesn't actually say the size of the yarn, the weight of the yarn, I should say. But on their site, it tells you yarns that are, if it's 100-gram hank or skein, 100 grams, and if it's 250 meters, it's going to be a 3-weight, or a DK they call it. So that's, so this I guess will be a DK, although to me it looks kind of smaller than that. Maybe 2, between 2 and 3 maybe, that's just my opinion, I don't know. But it's, let's see, if there, oh, excuse me, there are, I think there are 5 strands. Looks like 5 strands. Well, yeah, 5 strands, but they're kind of, okay, let me show you. They're kind of twisted together, but not tightly, just kind of semi-tightly. So I haven't tried working with it yet, but boy, I want to. I want to. Oh, so there's 5. I got 5. I don't think they came in a pack of 5. I think you have to buy them individually, I believe. But they put them in a bag of 5, so that was really nice. So how much were they? Well, their money is in, I think it's called euros. I think, I could be wrong. But of course I converted that to Canadian. So these 5 all together, and that's with shipping, came to $49. So we'll say $50. $50 to get this yarn to Canada from Bulgaria. And so that's $50 divided by 5 is what? 10. Right? Oh my gosh, what's wrong with me? 50, yeah, divided by 5. Okay, so $10. $10. So I think that's pretty decent. I mean, all the way from Bulgaria, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Let me hold this. Oh, here, let me take it out. Take them all out of here so you can see them properly. I'm not affiliated with them or anything. You know, I'm just telling you about the yarn. And, okay, this one's kind of losing its pants. Okay, so they are, I think they're really pretty. They're soft. Oh, I look so forward to making some kind of a summer top. Yeah. You know, I'm so far behind on everything because I haven't been able to film except that one video for it's a whole week, I think. Anyway, okay, so I was going to take one off here and open it up. and show you. Okay. Let me see, let me see. Sometimes it's hard to find the center, especially when you're filming. It's like, just hurry up. Ooh. Look. Oh my. Look. Oh, I gotta pick the right stitch. The right stitch to show off these colors. Show off the design, the colorway design. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, so now I see this greenish goes into kind of creamy, and then into a white. Oh, and then light blue gets a little darker, and it goes into dark blue, and then it goes into a little bit lighter, back into light blue, white. Oh my goodness. Sometimes you just don't know until you open it up. What do you guys think? Yeah. That's pretty interesting. I think that's going to make an amazing summer top. So 250 meters. They don't say the yardage. 250. So 1,250 meters is what I have here. So that's definitely enough for me to make a kind of a lacy tank top. What do you guys think? Of course, I'm just starting to think of other things. I don't know. What do you guys think? What are your suggestions on what to design? Okay, so I think that's it. And thank the good Lord I was able to sit here and film without, too much pain. All right, you guys, it's so good to be back on. And oh man, it's so good to be back on. Thank you guys so much. And I'll see you all as soon as I can. All right, bye.